Hey guys, Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil, and I'm gonna show you guys that, if I wasn't done with my summer crops already, I am right now, because old man winter has come and everything that wasn't prepared. So yeah, that's the state of my tomato raised bed, and while all of it did not get done, I did do a lot of it. Some of it's under the snow there, but yeah, so that's toast. I did bring in some of my GreenStalks, except for this one. It'll be coming in. We're supposed to have a warm up here starting tomorrow. It's gonna get up to 38, and then I'll be 50 something the following day. But yeah, some of them have come in. I'm starting to refresh them now that the yellow jackets are gone. Snap! It looks like maybe my what are those? My kohlrabi. Those might be Denso too, but we'll find out tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, that's what's going on. I've got carrots and stuff on the side of the house. Matter of fact, here, let me go over there and get them. They're over. So here's some of my carrot plants that are outside. There's another strawberry pot there. And then if we go over here, we got some more over there. So that's Dunzo completely. Green beans over there are probably Dunzo as well. But it's okay. The carrots should be fine. Those carrots should be fine too. And we've got some of the pots of strawberries there. They should be okay. But I'll show you what I did with the rest of these here in just a second. So here are the strawberries in the GreenStalk that I've already started to divide up. And I didn't want the ones, because some of these have like really tender roots because they were probably rooted out in the GreenStalk about maybe a month or two ago. So the roots are pretty delicate, and I didn't think that they'd be able to handle the cold temps right away. So my garage, which is unheated, is sort of kind of a stopgap for that. Some of them are looking a little rough, but they're gonna look a little rough as long as they're not in the sun. But they're gonna be going back outside, like I said, here in about a couple of days when it gets back into the 50s. I think it'll be good for them then. And here are my, what used to be inside strawberry plants. These ones are the ones that I'm hardening off, again out here in the garage, unheated, so that I can get them into the GreenStalk. The strawberries will be in the GreenStalk, because the tan one that's still out there that hasn't been messed with yet, that one's gonna have a whole different planting thing. Plus I'm gonna have my hashtag garlic 2026 challenge plants in there. So it needs to be redone and divided up just like I did the other ones, but they're looking pretty good out here. So yeah, that's me. We're back out here in the garage once again, guys, and I don't plan on being out here all the time, but when it gets cold like this and I need to make a video or do something outside, we're probably going to revisit this place like we used to. So with that, I'm your boy, Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil. Get your plants ready, guys. I'm out of here.